What's up guys, welcome to another one. So today I'm in central Jakarta. Hey, guess what, today is car free day. So today I have a good friend with me, Soliman, come over. So Soliman is a photographer. We knew each other from Instagram. He's a very good photographer. At the end of the video I will link his handle. You go check out his artistic work. So today basically what we're gonna be doing is we're doing like a 10 minutes street photography challenge. So basically what that means, like each of us have just like 10 minutes to go around and shoot the best of whatever we can. So by the end of the video we're gonna I'm going to show you guys the pictures, so you guys decide who got the nicest pictures. So guys, so that's it, and let's get going. So what are you shooting today with?
I'm shooting with the Sony A6000.
Okay, I'll be shooting with my Sony A6300 18 to 105 mm. So let's do this. You want to go first or I go first?
Maybe you go first.
I go first. Okay guys, let's the countdown begin. Soliman, you the time?
Yep.
Alright, start the time, let's go.
Alright.
Alright. We are heading to the most crowded place. Let's see what we can get there. So far I could not see anything here, but let's head to the main place. Let's see what we can get.
Seven minutes to go.
7 minutes more?
Yes,
a lot of time.
7 minutes to go. Yeah, it is. Already.
I love taking guys with bicycle.
Yeah. Oh, watch out, watch out. Oh, the bus. Right, let's go.
So let's get close to the water fountain.
Okay.
saying, a lot of crowd.
About 5 more minutes. Yes.
Oh, it's not working out.
You got 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes.
For food.
Let's go this way.
All right.
Let me try this one more time.
Okay. All right.
Oh my god. That was very, very challenging. That was very, very fast. Okay, Asoliman, is your turn. So are you ready?
Oh.
So when you're ready, you let me know.
Okay, guys, I'm ready.
All right, let's do this.
To finish this challenge.
All right, the time starts. Let's go.
All right.
Sorry. That's a nice shot.
All right.
Yeah. 8 minutes to go. Wow. How come you are getting a perfect shot when you are too lucky, man? You are too lucky. Oh my God. Are they bicycle repairers or they just repairing their bicycles?
Yeah, they're straight. Bike.
4 minutes done?
4 minutes done.
Yeah.
I guess
It got 6 minutes 30 seconds.
okay.
I want to be very, very specific.
Somebody.
5 minutes. Sorry. I guess right now you're feeling on top of the world. And the crowd is a lot. Is that a ghost? Ghost. Ghost.
Oh no,
No way. No, it's too crowded. You got it?
Yeah.
I mean, 1 more minute. Six seconds. Yeah. Yeah. Time's up. You're done.
Alright.
You're done.
I hope I got a bit better pictures.
Hopefully. So guys, that's the end of the challenge. It's really challenging. Very challenging. What do you think? How is the experience?
I think it's very challenging for us. For me, I mean, makes my brain thinking fast.
Yes.
Work fast. So crowded there, and you cannot make the right composition or something like that. But overall, it was great.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yes.
Yeah, for me, it's very challenging. But it felt like it's very difficult to get a good composition, and you have to think very fast, because if you delay in thinking, you may miss the shot. So it's very challenging, especially when there is too many crowd out there. So we really have fun. I think we should do this some other time.
Yeah, sure.
That's cool. So guys, we'll put all the pictures we shoot by the end of the video, so you guys will decide who got the best pictures, and let us know in the comment section. And we'll see you guys on the next time. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Peace.